Today is September 21st, Friday. This is the 1968 Cadillac Eldorado, original rosewood grain door panel and side panel appliques that mount in the front door panels and in the rear side panels for the 1968 Eldorado. These are custom made, to fit, exact pattern made rosewood veneers that I custom made for my friend Craig in Chicago. These are the original pot metal chrome plated frames. This is for the front driver's side door, for example. This is the metal backing plate, the original metal backing plate, and this is the rosewood veneer, the real wood applique. And I'm going to go ahead and contact cement the rosewood applique to the back plate and then fuse it into the frame for Craig in Chicago before I go ahead and ship these things out. So I've been working on these for a couple months. This is a complete set for the 1968 Cadillac Eldorado. This is a one-year only design, and I have several of these now that I have available for other people as well. So if you're looking to replace your peeled and split and decomposed original rosewood appliques for the interior upholstered door panels and interior upholstered side panels for the rear of the car, as well as for the front of the car, feel free to give me a call. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1970 E1 Eldorado, Cadillac Eldorados. And I restore the steering wheels, the steering columns, the power antennas, the power drive mechanisms for the seats, as well as these beautiful interior wood grain appliques, including the dash. Thank you very kindly.